A bag of cannabis in the car and a defiant attitude. An 18-year-old girl just turned herself into a criminal. She thought she could walk away, but the law isn't that easy to outsmart.
I got a body camera on, alright? Can you tell me a little bit about what happened?
Night falls over the city, but no streetlight can illuminate the rage erupting on this sidewalk. A young woman, restrained by officers, screams, shattering the silence. This isn't a robbery, it's a car crash. On March 28, 2024, in Bloomington, Illinois, a car crash occurred. Inside the vehicle was Mia, an 18-year-old girl. But instead of worrying about the accident, she was caught up in a heated phone argument.
Possibility of marijuana. Hole around the side, they're not injured. But these guys are driving a teeny little Mitsubishi right now. That's smell. One, because maybe the driver doesn't have a license. Right? I don't know. But there's a good chance that there might be some problems with cannabis. Driving. You still have those crash?
Hello.
Yeah,
Nope.
we go drive on that.
Alright.
Yep.
Which one of you guys was driving?
I will make sure she knows that.
What's up?
Yes.
The person in the vehicle was driving?
Yes, she said she was the driver.
Okay.
Officer Dean approached Mia to check on her well-being, but he was met with indifference. Mia delayed handing over her documents, showing clear signs of disrespect.
Sorry, can you say that again? From this road right here? Okay. Did you run a stop sign? You know what happened?
I stopped at the stop sign and
All right. Did you have your driver's license on you?
As officers stood near the car, a familiar scent hit their noses. Strong marijuana. The nature of the situation shifted instantly. With probable cause, they had the right to search the vehicle. But first, they needed to remove Mia.
That's what I have. I ran her name, date of birth.
No return?
I didn't hear one. Mia, I need that insurance off you, please. Why are you postponing me getting that?
I'm sorry, I'm arguing with somebody right now.
All right, I just need to snap a quick picture and then I don't have to worry about it, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Hello.
But Mia refused, and that refusal felt like a declaration of war. Any fragile cooperation quickly collapsed, replaced by blatant defiance.
Yes, the f it did.
Can you press the unlock button for me?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. That's fine. All right, so there's that. All right, so there's cameras on this building right here. Is it going to tell me exactly what you guys said? Okay. Okay. Is it going to show me that you were driving?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. A good quality camera, so. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go run them.
Okay.
So we're gonna search this vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells like weed, doesn't it?
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Hey, Mia? Stand with them real quick. We're gonna search the vehicle. It smells like oil of cannabis, alright? We're gonna have you search. You're gonna step out. No, you're gonna step out. You're gonna stop. Hey, you're 18. I don't care. Mia, I don't want.
I'll wait until my mother's right here.
Step out of the
I will
vehicle.
wait until my mother is right here. I don't care.
Dean, you wanna come over here?
and you're not gonna arrest me for sitting here waiting for my mother. She's right there.
I don't know why you're making this difficult.
Because I don't with y'all, but go tell my
What have
mother
we ever
to
done
call.
to you?
Nothing.
Then what? Then what?
But you just, I don't like your energy. You all up in my personal business.
Yeah, we're investigating a crime.
Okay, get the crime.
Step out of the vehicle, please.
Get my mother.
I don't want to put you in handcuffs. All right?
You're not going to, because I did shit wrong. Get my mother. I can say that. Y'all can get my mother.
Sheldon,
Thank you. Good job.
we are.
Great. Doing it. I like
Well, he doesn't really. He's not even supposed to be here. He's his
I
trainer.
like him, so I like, you should be here. Thank you. What you supposed to do. And anything you find in this car is not mine.
Well, I didn't even ask about that. Why are we already making a defense?
Is there anything in here we're gonna find?
I mean, shit, you want to find something?
I mean, is there anything in here we should know about?
Is there anything that you're going to stereotypically think about?
Well, I'm on camera, so no.
I mean, hey, y'all.
Is there any bombs, anything like that?
There's a bomb in my trunk.
Well, I hopefully not. That would be bad. Is there any guns?
You look like a little one.
Okay, we have to get out of the car.
The 18-year-old, now facing law enforcement, chose to call her mother. Her immature actions sharply contrasted with her aggressive words. She hurled insults at the officers. Even after her mother arrived and tried to calm her down, Mia's rage seemed unstoppable. Officers had lost their patience. They had no choice but to use necessary force to remove her from the vehicle.
What?
So there appears to be shake quite a few spots.
All
And
right.
there was that ashtray I put there.
Well, let's look for anything substantial. Oh, we got a ticket for improper backing. Yep. We're looking for it, man. You just want to sit back when we find it. I got some little weed packages. Just one. There's nothing in it, doesn't appear.
I did say that they kind of like took off running in that direction a little bit. I wonder if they were like throwing anything in the grass.
Could be a thing. She was very defensive already about what we were gonna find in the car.
What's she looking for? A key?
ID. I don't know if you find it. I just found an ID. Found a little pipe. Whoever was driving was smoking. There's a pipe, some, like shaked on some backwoods.
She kicked and struggled. According to officers, she even tried to assault them. The scuffle unfolded on the roadside grass under the flashing lights of patrol cars. Each scream was a self-incriminating cry, making her situation worse.
Not even doing shit.
You tried to swing on me.
What happened?
Hey, stop. Stop. Put it in handcuffs. Put it in handcuffs.
Please,
I gotta put it in
I
handcuffs.
don't need to stop.
Man, back up. Back up.
Hey, please. Stop it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't hurt her. You think
She's now going. She's now on your left. David, we don't want to cuff you.
Mia, stop! Stop, Mia! Stop! Mia, stop!
Stand up.
No, I'm a f***ing young. What? Bro, you can't. Mia, stop! Stop! Oh, you. That's what the f*** you are. Yeah. Take me to hell for f***ing and your f***ing wife for f***ing. How about that? Let me the f***
Anything on you?
No. You dumbass. I hate you. I hate you. Every black person hates you. And this is way too. Because why is this shit so tight? You're
While Mia was being restrained, the vehicle search confirmed the officer's suspicions. Inside the messy car, they found a pipe and marijuana packaging.
Goddamn hoe. Don't touch me like this.
You're not doing that.
I don't give a f***. But this
You
is
want-
acceptable.
You tried to kick me.
Y'all are grown ass men. And no, I did it, you dumb.
You stepped on my hand. You stepped on my hand.
Okay, and you body slam me, and I'm gonna.
Stop. Watch out, Dean. I got this side.
You
spit on.
do not give them a reason to hurt you. Do not give them a reason to hurt you, please.
What's your deal?
I don't like you. And this is the deal. Do you see how I'm mad, bro? Calm down. They have a reason to hurt you. Don't give them a goddamn reason to hurt you.
She tried to spit on me.
No, I didn't, you dumb bitch.
You-
Don't give them any reason. Okay, I can call them. I can call them.
You can call me a all you want. I don't care.
Stop! Mia! Over now! Stop it, Mia!
I'm not done.
Mommy, no! Mia, just calm down and stop. Mia, just calm
In the car.
I'm a little kid, bro.
Get in the car.
Cannot
Get in
push
the
me
car.
in there like a... I don't get no... I don't get no...
Stop. 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 Stop.
Touch me like that.
Stop.
You're not okay.
Stop.
No, I'm a female.
We got aggravated vagrants. Cops kick me. Now she's got a felony with aggravated battery.
Mia was arrested. The charges against her went beyond traffic violations. She now faced charges including resisting arrest, battery on a law enforcement officer, reckless driving, and marijuana possession. In Florida, assaulting a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a $5,000 fine. If the officer is injured, the charge may escalate to a second-degree felony, up to 15 years. Use of a deadly weapon can lead to a first-degree felony with a maximum of 30 years in prison. Will Mia face the serious legal consequences, or will she have to pay for her impulsiveness with a life full of struggles? Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to Police Catch Cam so you won't miss the most intense real-life chases and body cam footage. Thank you so much for watching.